Hello to everyone. Welcome back to another video lesson. So today we are going to more study about the functions of operating system. In previous lessons we have studied about types of operating system, how many operating system do we have. So today we are going to more work about the functions of operating system, what exactly an operating system performs or do. Let's show. An operating system performs a number of functions, I mean actions, to enable the user and the software to interact with the computer, and these functions are: if we want to use computer, if we want to use computer, so we need system software. It means it is the system software that makes our interaction with the computer. It provides the way that we use the computer. So it is an operating system that Windows 10, like operating system Macintosh, they are the operating systems. We have a user interface, memory management, scheduling, resource allocation, and file management. These are the most important functions that an operating system does. Well, user interface, as you can see, and last and previous video lessons I show you that cmd command. Cmd, also I have asked what's the contrast between cmd command and os. This is the main contrast. The cmd command, it is a command line interface. Even just you write commands, but when we come to Windows, you can see, I click it, this is the interface that you can see. It's more graphical. Windows operating system is more graphical than CMD. CMD is a command line, just we write commands, but in here we can click it, we can watch it, we can see its graphical interface. And this is the main contrast. I mean, it's a user interface. So this function operating system allows users to interact with the computer in a graphical using keyboard, commands, icons, menus, screen designs, everything. And this is the interface of Macintosh and Linux. So operating system allocates a memory area to the data and instructions while they are being processed by the CPU, memory management. For example, let's see, I opened right now I have opened MS PowerPoint, and my PowerPoint, because of the presentation, is open in memory. It first loaded in the memory or RAM, then CPU or processor take information or load information from memory. After the processing, it once again send it to the memory, and memory output it to the monitor that we see these actions, these performance. You can see if I want to open Excel, so first load the memory, then CPU process it on it, then it process the, after the processing it output on the memory, and memory show or exported in the monitor. Another thing is about the scheduling. What does scheduling mean? It means managing the order in which the programs have to be executed and when to introduce new program into the memory. For example, I am also in here, I have also uploading the videos. One schedule, another schedule is about the recording, that is about 4 minutes that I'm recording. So another schedule or another tasks, another task is about the PowerPoint. This is the work of Windows, how to schedule, how to perform these actions. It means we open many programs, multitasks. So the CPU or operating system arrange that divides so which program should be first entered to the memory or RAM, then it should process it or load it into the CPU, which of the parts of the CPU process on that applications, and it also divides that this application also should send it to another part of the CPU, that this part should process it on this action. It divides the tasks into the processor, and processor performs the actions. It is about the scheduling. Mean operating system has ability to schedule the program, which program should be executed in which part of the operating system or in which part of CPU. So we came on resource allocation. As you can see, it's like the location of memory. The operating system allocate different resources like CPU timing, primary storage, input, and output resources to different programs. It allocates, for example, how it gets input from data to input or to enter in the memory, and which data should be saved to the after the processing saved to the hard disk, or which data should output in the monitor that we can say it allocate. I mean, it changed the different parts of the computer. For example, when I opened this presentation to record it, to have a video lesson, so I loaded this in the memory, then on the CPU or processing unit. It allocates, it takes data, it loads data from my hard drive to the memory. It means random access memory. It's not always, it's not permanent. I mean, everything is that is stored in memory or RAM, it's not permanent, because if we turn off the computer, every data or every information that is stored in these circuits will lose. So operating system has ability to load the data in their memory, and also to load it in the processor. After processing it, should it can allocate, I mean, change the position. It will send the data to the monitor, or we send it to another flash to another device. It is the work of what operating system. File management has in last previous slide you can see they are a little bit the same, but there is a little bit contrast between them. Also, they have a relation. File management. File operating systems are responsible for managing the secondary storage device. Operating system is responsible for managing the secondary storage device. It means operating system provide a suitable way to organize and access the data. As in previous slide, I told you that operating system can provide a suitable way that store the data in the hard disk and load the data into the memory. It has a very good file management. We can for example, we can open the MS Word, and after processing we will save it into the hard disk. We can open once again MS Word, process it, then we save it in hard disk. These file management is the work of operating system. And it was the last slide. I hope you don't have any question or any problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video.